In this video, I will show you how to make a passport photo at home easily. Here we use a free website, photofairy.ai. Go to the website and choose to create a new design from scratch. Adjust the design frame to the required passport size. US passport photo is 2 inch by 2 inch. Now add the photo to the designer window by drag and drop. Position the photo properly according to the requirements. Set the background color. US passport requires white background. Next, we remove the image background, since it is not white, and simply adjusting brightness does not work well here. Use the Click Selection tool to select the person. And adjust the hair region using the Color Selection tool. Now we have a portrait photo in the white background. Let's do a minor adjustment by making the portrait look a bit brighter. Now you can download the passport photo as a JPEG image file and print it. Here I am going to show how to print 6 passport photos at the same time by creating a 4 inch by 6 inch photo. First, set the design frame size to 4 inch by 6 inch. Then drag and drop our passport photo into the designer window. Make copies and arrange them in grid. Notice that objects on canvas are snapped to nearby objects when moving. This makes the alignment easy. Now you can download the 4 inch by 6 inch photo and print it. If you find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.